Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and this is my point of view on Cress by Marissa Meyer. Cress is the third book in the Lunar Chronicles series, and without a doubt, Cress is my favorite book in the Lunar Chronicles. Cress is a retelling of Rapunzel. Now, if you know the Lunar Chronicles, you know that these retellings are not just your typical retellings of fairy tales. These retellings are very special because they are based on the original story of the fairy tale, but at the same time, they include technological aspects and they also develop the themes of the many societal problems that we currently face today, such as viruses, power struggles, among other things. As you can see, this cover is absolutely beautiful. You can tell that Cress is based on Rapunzel. You can see her long hair. And I love the colors. I love the design. As you can see on the inside, we have an illustration of something that happens in the story. And this paperback edition is also very comfortable to use while you're reading. And that is my point of view.